Did you keep playing until today?
What is up, guys? It is Golden Killer, and today I'm playing Penguin Paradise. I'm going to be teaching you how to get to the volcano. Jesus, I can't speak.
They got rid of the ice.
Hey, bro.
Yo, dude.
So,
Hey, can I say something?
Still wait for me.
Can I say something, YouTuber? Hey, YouTuber, can I say something?
I don't really trust people to say stuff in my videos because they always say bad stuff.
No,
I
I'm
don't
not
say
going to.
anything
I'm not
bad,
going to.
bro. I don't
my
want
dad
people
is
to
right
cuss in
next
my
to me.
videos.
That's why.
All right, fine. What do you want to say?
My
Why are you
dad
in
is
ice
right
cream?
next to me.
What do you want to
Why are
say?
you in ice cream?
He's
Your
making
whole ice
sure I don't say anything
Subscribe
bad.
to. Here, what's your YouTube? I don't know.
Golden Killer.
Subscribe to Golden
Golden Killer? That's kind of gay.
Subscribe to Golden
Where are
Killer.
you guys?
or sleep with one eye open tonight.
You wanna,
Yes,
you wanna
sir.
know how to get the ice cube, Pat? Where are you?
Oh yeah, I
Where
just
are
got
you?
done recording my video. So if
Fist
you guys
bump.
want to
Wait, are you at the top of the?
Hey, what's your YouTube?
My YouTube. Wait, what's my name up here? What's my name?
JFEN29.
Yeah.
Go follow that, or not follow. Go subscribe to that if you
Jeff
want to.
N.
On my
Yeah, go
on my
to
YouTube.
go subscribe to
Where
his
are you?
YouTube channel.
Jeff N, where are you? Jeff N, where are you, bro?
Hold on. Just put it all lowercase with no spaces.
Yep, follow him.
Yo, I want to fly. How do you fly?
Rudolph the Red-Nosed
All right,
Reindeer
sorry about
had
that.
a very,
Oh
very
crap!
shiny nose. And if you ever saw it.
Sorry about everybody. They keep on screaming and stuff.
Yo, what's up? Yo, where are you guys? I'm at this
Now,
volcano.
We're gonna show you how to get to volcano. All right. So first of all, you're gonna spawn inside of this room. All right. All you have to do is walk out of here.
Hello, look behind you.
Oh, hello.
Hey.
Oh crap! I fell off.
Or
Sleep
preview.
with-
Dang it.
If you don't
Wait, hold on, I
subscribe
fell off.
to his channel right now, sleep with one eye open.
Yeah.
Already
And you
said
might
that
want to grab a
preview.
bat. You might want to grab a bat because there.
If you look over there, you can see little sparkles flying up into the sky. All you gotta do is follow those sparkles, because
Yeah,
those
yeah, yeah. I'll see you
sparkles
guys there.
are little things of lava. So we're just gonna slide down there. And then you see it starts to get green up here because the lava melts all the ice once it gets more up here.
Go up here to get out. Yeah,
Shoot, the
that's
other
true. It
YouTuber is
does.
beating us. He's beating us up here. Okay.
I know, bro. Bro, I'm gonna beat him in the parkour, bro, because he ain't a real man.
All right. Now we are at the parkour where you could do it.
Not there.
So I'm just gonna try to do this.
In here? Right here? No.
I think that guy was saying he was gonna
where the
beat me and then he
exit
fell
is.
off.
This way?
That guy was saying he was gonna beat me and then he fell off.
Go the other way. Go this way.
Well, that's how you just complete it. You follow that. Then you could climb up here,
So I'm gonna be.
and then
I'm
you
gonna
could
be
look
showing
overboard.
I'm gonna be showing y'all how
Pretty
to
cool.
get moderator.
And then boop.
So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get moderator. Oh yeah, right here. Free.
All right, well, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed on how to get to volcano. But it's also not just the way to volcano. It's also the way
Up here.
to get ice cube, which I will do a different video on that.
Wait. Do not
And-
end the video.
What?
And then you got the ice cube out.
Hi.
I'm on YouTube.
I hope you enjoy it. Also, remember, subscribe and like this video. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, or sleep with one eye open, just like the other guy said.
I don't want to. Yeah.